Hello, Nadine here again, and today I'm going to be making a double Z-fold card using this mix and match pad by Canvas Core Brands. This is the Haunted one, and basically Haunted, it's a bunch of Halloween. So I'm going to be cutting it up. I've already used some of it, as you can see. So I'm going to be cutting pieces out of it more and show you a little bit of the different patterns. But this is what I'm going to be using. So first, let me show you how to do the Z card. I am going to be using my Westcott titanium trimmer because it has a cutting blade and it also has an embossing blade. So that way, or a scorer, so that way I can do everything I want all at once. So to start, I have a black piece of cardstock. Get the ruler out here on this. And I'm going to cut this at, well, it's already at 11 since it's a 8.5 by 11. Yes, I had to make sure. I was pretty sure it was, but I had to make sure. And so for the height of my card, I'm going to cut this at 6.5. There we go. So now, to score it, I am going to score it at 2 3/4. So right there, score it down, and then I'm going to score it again at 5.5. And then on my strip that's left over, I'm going to score that at the exact same place that I did the other one, at the 5.5. And then do another one at 8.25. And just to help, I will also have these measurements on my blog, so if you want to know exactly what the measurements are, they're not catching them from the video, I will have them listed on my blog as well. So there we go. I have it all scored just like that. And I could have scored it before I cut it, but I didn't. So now it's going to be folded in half, and then the outside one is going to be folded out. So as you can see, it's going to be like that. And the same with that. So that will be attached to the card like this, and this one will be attached on this side. You can see that. So now that I have this part all laid out, I am going to start cutting up the Canvas Core brand papers and fill in the panels and decorate my card. Okay, I decided I wanted to add something into the middle here, so I cut another strip. I'm actually going to make this a little bit smaller, a little thinner, I should say. And since this section right here is 2 3/4, I'm going to score this and then I'm going to line that one up to the 2 3/4 line and score it on the other side. And then just fold it like that. So hopefully You should be able to slide this into the card like that.